I'm getting my hair braided with Tamika again. We're doing the last video I did with Tamika. You guys were asking me what kind of hair did we use. I didn't show it because I wasn't sure if she wanted to show it, but today we're gonna show it. So I'm using, well, she's using super jumbo braid hair. So it looks like this. Is this on Amazon?
No, it's not on Amazon. You can only get it in the hair store.
Okay, well, you guys heard that, only in the hair store. And we're doing super long waist length,
Past waist length.
Past waist length knotless braids. I'm super excited. I just washed my hair. Do not oil your hair if you are gonna go to her ahead of time, and make sure it's blow dried or stretched or blow dried.
Blow dry.
Make sure it's blow dried and blow dried really well and nice and clean. Okay, let's get started. Alright guys, so I do want to mention what the size are of these braids, because it might look like it's small and then it might look like it's not small to some people. So it actually is a medium. It's small and medium, and I love the size. I feel like it's perfect. This is my second time getting knotless, and I probably will never go back to the regular braids because I feel like knotless is so comfortable. I love the fact that after I finish my braids, they are not tight, so I can go straight into putting it into a high ponytail or a high bun. They're so comfortable, they're so lightweight, and I know last time in my last video that I did with the knotless braids with Tamika, I know some people were saying, like, there was too much scalp showing. And the whole point of knotless braids is it's starting from your real hair. So I feel like with knotless braids, it's kind of supposed to low-key have that look, but not too much. And I don't feel like it's too much scalpage. I actually feel like it's perfect. I've seen, when I was looking for a person to do knotless braids in Atlanta, I was like, I couldn't find anybody because there was just too much scalp showing. And I feel like she finds a way to make it look really natural and still give the look that I'm looking for without it looking like, there's just, two braids in my head, So I absolutely love the way she does my hair. Again, I'm big on my hair being tight and being comfortable, and my hair is not tight and it is 1000% comfortable. So I am a huge fan of knotless. I'm so happy they were created. Also, when I used to get my hair braided back in the day, I felt like I would lose my edges. It was just too much stress on my edges. The hair was just way too tight. And yeah, usually, throughout the time span of me wearing the box braids, I would keep it in for like a month and a half. Braids would disappear. Like, I would wake up in the morning and it would be a braid on the other side of the bed, which came usually from my edges. And I feel like because these braids start from your real hair, there isn't really any hair loss. So I love that. My edges when I was younger, and even now, they are weak, especially if you have a huge long braid hanging from it and you're putting it into a ponytail and doing styles. You are adding stress to your hair. So knotless, you are not losing any hair, and I love the idea of that because it just makes you feel even more comfortable. Now, when it comes to braids, I'm not really one to wear my hair down. Sometimes I will, sometimes I won't, but I love to actually put my hair in a ponytail. So that's also important if you are the same way. And you don't want too much stress on your edges, or your hair just can't handle it, knotless is the perfect way. Each individual braid is so light that I still don't understand how it's actually done. I'm still confused. This is one thing that I just cannot do, cannot learn. I just don't know how to do it, but once it's done, it's amazing. So absolutely love it. Yeah, so in this video, we are just chatting away, talking, watching movies. Oh, these braids took a long time. They took a long time. Usually, if we start I think we started at 8 last time. We ended around 4, which is typical for box braids. You should be expected it to be about 8 hours, 8 or 7 hours, especially because it's one person doing it in your head. Whereas back in the day, or like in the Bronx, when I used to go to the Africans, it's like 5 people in your head. So it is going to take time, but I appreciate it. I appreciate every second of it because I feel like, it's coming out neat and I don't have to focus on 5 people in my head, even though the benefit of that is having your braids done quicker. My heat just came back on, guys, so if you hear it in the background, I apologize for that. Yeah, so these braids took a long time, okay? But again, Tamika's cool, so we were chit-chatting. We were chit-chatting. My sister was here. We had the TV on and everything, watching lots of movies, so time went by. But it did take, for those who may be wondering, we started at 1 p.m. and ended at around like 11 p.m. Do keep in mind that we did stop several times to eat. We did stop several times I had to move the camera, maneuver it, make sure it was in the right spot. So that did eat up some time as well. And it could take shorter if you just sit in the spot and don't move. But I was moving around, still being active. So that is why it did take a little longer than it probably would take the average person. This is also her first time doing waist length braids, okay? Past waist length, like knee length braids. Like, these were some long braids. And I feel like I love this length. Even when I put it in a ponytail, it still hits me a little bit underneath my butt. So I love that. Love it. I love it. No issues, no complaints. This braiding hair she put in my hair, it's not itchy, not scratchy. I know sometimes when I used to get my hair braided, the hair would be so like rough of a texture, like so synthetic-y, that it would make me itch like freaking crazy. This one doesn't. It's so comfortable, it's so soft. I love it. As she mentioned in the beginning of the video, you can't find it on Amazon, but you can find it in your local beauty supply store. So definitely go ahead and check that out. Best feeling ever, y'all.
So good. Oh my gosh.
Pile, releve, ass on face. Pile, releve, ass on face. Oh wait, let me see the hair. So it's really long, down to like my knees. So I'll show you guys that afterwards.
On the camera?
Yeah. Now at this point, she just dipped my hair in some extremely hot water, and then she went ahead and put mousse on my braids, and then I oiled my scalp after. So you can definitely go ahead and add oil to your scalp now after everything is done, because obviously the braiding process is finished. But absolutely loved it. Definitely check her out on Instagram. She is amazing. Okay, I have like my own like personal braider because I love her. I'm not going to anybody else, but she does such a good job, so neat, and they last me about a month and a half. I think I usually keep it in for, or a month, because you guys know I do wigs, so I kind of can't keep it in for too long. But I love them, and I wish I could have them in for the whole entire year. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Check out her Instagram, and I'll see you guys in my next video.